Look at this beauty. Dang. HDMI. Oh, power.
AC.
Is that the HDMI? Yeah. Oh. Yep. This, I think, can play an 8K. Oh, yeah, that HDMI connector does look newer. I'm not sure if that'll be supported on my TV. Oh, boy. What? Except you have this. This is a share button.
Does it come with a rechargeable? No.
No, I think you need batteries.
There's batteries here.
Yeah, I don't think it... A block?
Yeah. I need to charge my earbuds.
Yep. You can use this one. This one glues and... What? Whoa! Open that up again. Hold up. What? Oh my god!
It's at 99%.
It shows the battery percentage? Are you kidding me?
How else am I supposed to know what percent?
Dang! Dad! Yo, earbuds don't show the battery percentage while they're in the charger. Dang! Oh yeah, I forgot I had a USB-C plugged in for this.
They have lights in them.
Yeah, they're basically the same.
As Dad's, no. They're way better.
They're better than Dad's, obviously, because they show the battery percentage. His doesn't. Only on his phone, but his phone doesn't show like a precise percentage. Here we go, the main event.
Do you have your Xbox? Do you have the Xbox app on your phone?
Yep. Yeah, I've heard that it requires it, apparently, just to set it up, which is kind of inconvenient. Comes with batteries. I'm not going to use those, obviously, though. I'm going to use my rechargeables. Because I aim to keep... yeah, it's a stand for it.
Hello from Seattle.
Dang. The fan's right there. Oh, yes!
It's probably best to set it like that, honestly.
It can be set up...
Too much dust would get in here if it's set up like that.
Yeah, but wouldn't more dust get in there? Because plus it would be in the way. Because on the side there's a tiny hole for another fan too. Plus it looks better when it's vertical. When it's like standing up.
Yeah, but dust falls. So it's going to fall in these holes and it's going to gunk up the fan and everything. It's best to just... Storage expansion? Ooh, what?
What is this? Like some kind of SD card slot?
Two USBs, there's the AC port, there's the HDMI.
Whoa, you can see inside of it. Dang.
LAN cable.
Well, at least I don't have to worry about having or needing another HDMI cable. I think I already know what console you would play on for Minecraft, the PS5. Because I don't think the Xbox One S is a good idea to play like Minecraft on, because it'll take even longer to load.
You're going to have to get on Xbox, your Xbox app.
Yep.
On your phone.
Luckily, I can just split screen it so I don't have to stop recording. Ha! Take that, Apple. I mean, yeah, you can.
Are you gonna turn off?
Yeah.
What are you doing? Installing Fortnite for Madison?
Yeah. Although it's most
You
likely.
don't need to. Just go to my account.
Oh my god. Why are you being so frantic about everything?
He has to go to my account. He's just staying on his account and bringing it to my room.
You can sign on to your account. Jeez, like.
I know, but Fortnite will already be on there, Blake.
No, you can't just play Fortnite on the cloud. You have to download it to play it.
No, but what is this?
It's the thing you use to pop out the slot on your phone.
I can't get the small one though.
What are you so mad about?
I'm not mad.
She's just trying to breathe.
I'll be right back.
Alright. What tool does she have over there?
Huh?
Let me see that little tool she has over there.
What? It's not a tool that she
For a
had.
phone or something,
It's not a tool she had. It's one I had for mine, so I could get the slot out.
right? It's for the phone, right?
Yep.
Here, I need it. I can use that real quick.
What?
Where'd it go?
Well, I'd rather you just set that up first. Worry about that later.
I need your Xbox out of the way.
Oh, wait. It's on this side.
Is it still downloading?
Yeah. Won't be when it's unplugged, though. It'll probably auto restart the download whenever it gets plugged back in. I'm gonna turn this off. Oh, God, the HDMI is so hard to unplug. Set that there for now.
Is it flashing out?
It flashes because it's waiting for your phone to connect. Oh, the only problem is that for my other rechargeable batteries I have for my controller, I'm gonna have to go in your room just to charge my batteries.
Mine?
Yeah, remember? This console's going in your room. That other one is going somewhere.
First, we have to figure out what Bluetooth is.
I think it just uses regular
What size
Bluetooth.
is it?
Yeah. It's just angled different. Thank you.
It was my old Xbox.
Okay.
Oh boy, here we go.
Is that a cord for this?
Huh?
Is this correct?
No. This is to the old one. Sit that there for now. You got the power cord. Yep. Well, first we have to connect the HDMI before we turn it on. change the ratio. Don't turn it on yet. Oh, good. Yes, the HDMI does fit. Let's go.
Here, it should have let me.
Is my TV still on? No. Now it is. Alright. So can I turn it on now?
It's not plugged in yet.
Oh. It was fun, but it's time for your replacement.
Okay. Alright.
Did you plug the HDMI into the console? Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. Oh, my God. Yeah, this one also has improved network.